Hello everyone, welcome to Flying Skies One. How are you all doing? This video is on whetstone. If any of you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. And I thank all the subscribers who have subscribed my channel from the bottom of my heart. And no, I created playlists of unboxing must-watch videos. You can go to my channel, click, watch more, and give your valuable feedback. This is whetstone called sharpening stone, best grinding device. It's a combination stone, polishing tool for kitchen. It's a ceramic stone. You can find it in hardware shops for 100 rupees or 120, or you can buy it online in any shopping stores of Amazon, Flipkart. It costs 189 rupees as the starting price of online store. Now I'm showing you how to sharpen the sickle using the stone. You pour some water on the stone and start going back and forth with force on the surface of the stone, as shown in the picture. Otherwise, you can soak the stone for 10 minutes in water. If you don't want to pour water again and again on the stone, you can do as I said. Have to do it repeatedly, and some oil shall be formed on the stone, and you got to clean continuously. Use the full surface of the stone. Free shipping is available on Flipkart. 7 days written policy is available. If something is wrong with the product or found defective, not working, you can go for returning the product within 7 days of order delivery. So you see here, after sharpening, the color changes. It shows that the sickle is sharpened now. Have done it practically for 3-4 times. You got to do until you see the color changing. And with the sickle, I did cut the tree. You can restore sharpness once you use the stone. For dull knives and damaged or battered blades, have given you the tools that I used for sharpening on the stone. I have sharpened scissors also. The instructions are given here as how you got to use. It has got high productivity, faster cutting. But you got to do it for some time or continuously to see the result. This is used for sharpening chisel, boning knife, paring knife, cleaver knife, butterfly knife, folding knife, and axe. So after sharpening, as shown in the picture, you got to take a cloth and wipe the sickle and apply coconut oil or any oil that you have to prevent the sickle from being rusted. How many of you know this whetstone or ceramic stone that is used for sharpening tools? It's a can buy product and not must buy. You can try it once, but it works. And I've given you the playlist of must watch videos. You can see whatever you want to watch, click on them and share your views on it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies 1. Keep smiling.